Hi, we are Vera and Søren. We are busy renovating our house in the woods. Will you follow us along on our journey? So here we have grout option number 1. We made it very thin so it can go in all the small cracks. And yeah, let's see whether we prefer this color or the next. So here comes option number 2. That's clearly a little bit darker. The lighter one gives a bit more contrast, and we preferred the darker color in the end. It blends in more, it goes very well with the color of the tiles, and we felt like the lighter color would bring a lot of focus on the pattern of the tiles and not the tile itself. Hey guys, so let's talk a little bit about this side of our living room. We didn't do much here yet. It used to be quite a bit of a mess. I had my studio space in here for a little bit. Then it was just like boxes and containers here. And now finally we feel ready to tackle this area and to make it into something that we can use and love. So we're going to make this area our second seating area. This is going to be where the TV is, so mainly the space where we hang out in the evenings. And about 10-12 weeks ago we ordered a couch and it arrived, so we're going to start decorating it now. So this is the couch and I'll show you more. So we've got a really comfortable couch, as you can see, with a big area that we can just lay in. It's got a beige color which goes very well with the floor and also with the wall color. As you can see, I think this is a beautiful combination. And well, it's got this really nice detail and it's very, very comfortable. So now we need some sort of coffee table, and we decided to take the one which is now in this corner. So let's do that. We also got this really cute stool and lamp, and well, we're going to have to do a lot still here. So we still have to plaster this wall. We still have to put in the baseboards. We want to hang our TV and then maybe hang some other nice things here, some plants and a Christmas tree, as it's almost Christmas. So let's put some things in here. And I think we definitely need a rug as well. So over here we have our new coffee table, so let's unpack that one. So we got some of these. We have to put it together. Okay, so let's open this up carefully. It's got a really interesting texture, but I like it. So it's got this organic shape that I really love. Ja, en houden we dan de rechterkant hier? Of draai je hem juist om?
Ik zeg wel.
Okay. Nou, qua hoogte vinden jullie het goed. We moeten even bedenken dat hier gordijnen komen. Dus ik denk dat ik iets meer links moet. Oh, stop. Ja.
Ja?